So you've completed the intake process, met with the driver, done the metric intake, and done the blaze intake. Third digital step is going to be accounting. So now we want to, so you've finished on the compliance section and received the metric transfers. So now we want to go over to purchase orders. So we'll go down to purchase orders right here, and then we'll open active PO. Next thing we're going to do is hit completed, and it will populate. And then the one we just did was Kiva. You can see that 920. We just did it. So now we want to hit print. And we'll just double check. This is Kiva, and it's 151792. Let's highlight that, copy it. Now we're going to download it. The naming format for this is vendor, date, and finally the invoice number. Then we'll click save. And now we want to upload this to Dropbox. So open up a new tab and open Dropbox. And now we are looking for inventory invoices. There we go. And then we want to go to the month that we are in, which we're in September. And we're just going to take it from that bottom bar and we're going to drop it in. And now we're going to do the accounting. So we'll open up a new tab and open HD account folder. The first thing we're going to open is master cash. And this part is just, this is where we keep all the cash. So we want to move it to where we keep the cash for inventory. So we'll put in an entry for today. This will simply be transferred to inventory number 2. And then in the debit column, which is the second one of the 2 cash columns, and the third one is going to just be the running total. But in that second one is where we take the cash out. The total for this one was $1,016. And now we'll go back to the folder. And we're going to go to inventory. So we're transferring the cash to inventory. And go all the way down to the very bottom. And we'll put in a new entry for today. This first entry on the inventory ledger is just to show that the cash came into inventory. So transfer in from cash number 1. We'll go ahead and say this for Kiva. And we transferred in. Remember, out of the 3 cash columns, the first one is where cash comes in. So in the cash in credit column, we put in 1016 because that's what we took out of master and put into inventory. Next line, we're going to put another entry, and this is where we actually put down what we bought. So the first column is going to be Kiva for the vendor, and the second column will be a note. This is the invoice number, and this one was invoice number W 151792, paid in full. And finally, out of the 3 columns, this is the cash out one. Remember, first is cash in, this is cash out. So this is showing that we gave the cash out to Kiva. You should have a $0 balance after that. So now you've uploaded the PO, you've accounted for it on master cash, you've accounted for it on inventory. So for an invoice that was delivered and we paid cash, you are now done with the accounting for it.